Line. What is it? A long, narrow mark or band. Straight lines, zigzags, wavy, curved, dotted, dashed, looping, and swirled. Vasily Kandinsky is very famous for using lots of kinds of lines in his art. This example has lots of straight lines. And this one shows lots of different kinds of lines. Kandinsky is an example of an artist who used abstract expressionism. He tried to show feelings and emotions through lines and colors in his art. You may notice that we don't see any recognizable objects in his art. There aren't trees or houses or people, just lots of lines, shapes, and colors. This is what we will try and do on our project today as well. The first thing we're going to do is add some straight lines to our project. For this, I'm going to trace along the side of my crayon box. If you have a ruler or another object with a straight edge, that would be a great way to get straight lines. Next, I'm going to add a corner line. This line comes around the corner. I might even add a circle. I'm going to trace a circle object. I wonder if you can find a circle you could trace in your house. Next, I'm going to make some zigzag lines. I also want to add a loopty line. I went over this line a few times to make it nice and broad. The word broad when we talk about line means that it is a thicker line. Sometimes thinner lines are called fine lines. I will go around my circle as well to give it a nice broad line. Our lines don't have to be perfect, we just need to try our best. Next, I'm going to make a squiggle line. And again, I will go over it a few different times to make it more of a broad line. You can also add other kinds of lines. One of my favorite kinds of lines is a dashed line. Or even a dotted line. You can also make some of your lines overlap with other shapes. This is where we will stop for today. Next time we have art class, we will be learning about coloring this project. For next class, you will need to have coloring materials available. Be sure to talk to a grown-up about what materials you can use to color your project. I recommend using crayons for this project, but any art material will do. Have fun creating your abstract art using lines and colors.